Hey, hello. I am Mr. Wood,
And I'm Miss Kia.
and we are the advisors for Black Student Union. I have been the advisor for the Black Student Union for the past 2 years. It has been an absolutely wonderful experience. As the advisor of Black Student Union, I've been helping support students with a lot of the events that we've done, like the book clubs with incredible books like The Hate You Give, Born a Crime, Dread Nation. Also, as well, we've done amazing charity work and service work, doing Loaves and Fishes, which has been helping people who need meals in North Minneapolis. Along with that as well, we've been very active with Unity and Diversity Day, having awesome presentations on colorism, on what it's like to be a minority in a minority. And again, I'm just glad to help assist students in the work that they do. One of the biggest things I was proud of is last year, the students were so amazing. It was a pleasure to assist them in putting on our first ever African Heritage Night. So my role, I see myself as an ally. I'm here to help serve the students of the BSU.
So I'm excited to join Mr. Wood this year as a co-advisor for the BSU. I joined the Cristro Rey family last year as one of 2 new alumni counselors. My primary role is to assist our students navigate life after they graduate high school. This could be while they attend college, while they're in the military, while they start to begin their careers, or even if they just don't know what path they're going to take yet. So it has truly been a joy for me to get to know our students, even if they weren't yet seniors. For me, this might have been during the lunch hours or attending events such as Junior Day or events hosted by the BSU like Mr. Wood just went through. See, and I knew early on that I was interested in being involved in some way, but since it was my first year, I wanted to ensure that this would be a good fit. So a little bit of background about me and why I'm so interested in joining the BSU is because I myself graduated from Augsburg College, which is now university, in 2011, and I was part of the Pan-African Student Union, which is also called PASU. For me, I was a part of that all 4 years that I was there. I served as an outreach officer, just as a general member, and we hosted many events. But for us, it wasn't just about hosting events, but also we truly created a space of unity and comfort for personal growth. We dived into hard conversations and often challenged ourselves to always fight for not always what we wanted, but also what we needed. In the last 2 years, the BSU has done great things and hosted some awesome events. I hope that by my joining, we will continue building on the foundation that was laid out before us and continue to strengthen the BSU as a respected organization at Cristro Rey. I feel that together, we can really go on to do great things.
So if you are interested in joining the BSU with great events like Let's Talk and African Heritage Night, please let us know. We would absolutely love to have you involved in our organization.
We're going to try to host a meeting before school starts just to kind of connect and get to know everybody. So please be on the lookout on your emails for that. But if you would like to connect with us, ask us any questions about joining the BSU or kind of how we see the school year being laid out with BSU, please feel free to send us an email or give us a call. Our information is on the Cristro Rey website, but we will also include our emails and contact information down below.